There are places where the day begins differently, where the sunrise is something you take in without rushing. After the ocean, you return home. A place designed to disconnect from the noise and connect with the calm of San Felipe. Here, it's easy to stay a little longer. The breeze, the view, and time seems to slow down. And the best part? The peace of having your own space. As you walk in, the spaces flow naturally. Living room, dining area, and kitchen open to share each moment. Two comfortable bedrooms made for resting after a day by the sea. The property is located in Rafael by the sea, a private community with 24-hour security. Close by, you'll find everything you need: services, a gas station, and the San Felipe malecón, where the sea, life, and desert come together. And when the day comes to an end, San Felipe once again offers one of its beautiful sunsets.